Hello, in front of me I've got NAVITEL T787. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, go to security and enter screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab. Let's start with none, and now let's select swipe. Next, let's select pin, and to create pin, enter at least 4 digits. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select password, and to create password you have to add at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.